Taking a look at Lucid stock here, and it's currently at $2.20. We did test towards 199 here at some point, and I think we might get that retest here at 199 again, close to our 193 support level. If you want to compare this to our current price at 220, that is going to be right around just a possible 12% drop, right? So the risk here, not too much in my opinion in comparison to the upside, right? And again, this is just my personal opinion. I don't think we drop below 193. I think this is going to be the bottom here for Lucid stock. It's holding on quite pretty well here, down about 5%, while the overall market here is taking quite a bit of a hit, right? In terms of an upside move, this is the 200 daily moving average, right around $2.90, which I think will get retested at some point during this year, which is a 31% move towards the top side, followed by that test towards $3.50. One of my predictions here for 2025. And again, that's a 59% move towards the top side. Let me know what you think down below in the comments for Lucid stock. Do you think we're going to drop below 193, or do you think where we are right now is a good price of entry, right? I think dollar cost averaging into Lucid stock here wouldn't be a bad idea. I think the ranges here of 193 to 290 looks to be pretty good here, especially if I'm looking to go load into Lucid stock long term, looking for a reversal back up to 350. I think this is a good idea in my opinion, but of course I can't guarantee anything. Of course we can potentially drop down below 193 and have a sell-off, right? But I am personally thinking that this is going to be a pretty good support level for Lucid stock moving forward. I think we're at a pretty good loading zone here if you zoom out to the weekly chart before we have a breakout above 350 and potentially even test into $4.50. But again, that's just something to keep an eye out for moving forward in the future. Right now is a dip opportunity is how I'm viewing it, and what I would want to be careful moving forward as well is, are we going to retest 193 and are we going to make a new low? If we do make a new low, there's a potential possibility where we might have a sell-off down into even $1.50, $1.30. While I don't think that's going to happen, it's just something to keep an eye out for. I'm optimistic about Lucid stock, and I do think we get this retest towards $3.50, especially with the overall market potentially having a reversal later on. I think we're definitely at oversold levels due to all this tariff talk, all right? And I think the time will pass. It's just a matter of patience and time. And again, people who don't want to take advantage of the dip opportunity, like when there's a discount, people don't want to buy. But when the stock is running up like a lot, people wish they entered at the discount. So keep that in mind. I really think that's occurring right now with the overall market. People are very scared and not wanting to buy. A lot of people are panic selling, right? But again, once the market is all the way up, people are just wishing that they could have entered during those dip opportunities. And so that's why personally I think this is a really good opportunity for Lucid stock. You can see it's not even taking as big of a hit compared to a lot of these other stocks, right? You can take a look at the Mag 7. They're taking quite a bit of a hit right now, but I think we are going to get that reversal, and I think Lucid stock shouldn't be a stock you should be sleeping on. If you are in Lucid stock as well, let us know down below in the comments what your opinions are during the all this tariff talk as well as the current price as of today. Do you think Lucid here is a buy, hold, or sell? Personally, I think it's a good opportunity, and again, that reversal towards 350 is what I'm looking for. It's a 59% move towards the top side from our current prices, okay? If you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people. If you are looking for live entries and exits, you can also join our Patreon, which will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord. It includes all the live entries and exits of stocks and options from multiple analysts. And yes, that does include Lucid stock as well. Feel free to check that out, link down below in the description, with that permanent discount since we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like the video, or if you found it not so helpful, let me know down below in the comments, and always happy to respond to you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next Lucid video.